The Idiya York Plus is the ultimate off-roading caravan. It has so many amazing features. Let's go take a look. This pop-top caravan has loads of features to give you, your family and friends a comfortable off-roading experience. By pulling up this panel, you'll get access to the kitchen. The kitchen features 4 gas burners, a sink, plenty of storage and a roll-out chiller. Located at the front, you'll find storage for your gas canister, trash and recycling. It's 4 berth featuring 2 bunk beds and a fold-away double bed. The top bunk bed has a handrail for safety and all beds feature reading lights. And for your entertainment, there's also a built-in DVD player as well as a built-in articulated wall mount. There's plenty of interior storage, as well as some cupboards having dual access from the interior to the exterior. The pop-top is motorised for easy sit-up and pack down, and has zip-away windows to allow more light inside. The central washroom has a shower as well as a toilet. And at the rear, an additional outdoor shower. It also features solar panels at the top. It's entirely built for off-roading, featuring checkered panelling on the front, back and sides, as well as large diameter tyres.